Well, you can see what I see here, and this is the Mercedes-Benz CLE 300 Cabriolet. And boy, with the top up, the ride here is quiet, refined, and luxurious, but with the top down, like you see here, this is a sun-in-your-face joy. With all-wheel drive standard performance, with the 4-cylinder engine here, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in about 6.5 seconds, and the interior. The interior is flat out gorgeous. The CLE Coupe and Cabriolet replaced the E-Class and C-Class Coupe and Cabriolet for the 2024 model year, so it's still pretty new to the marketplace. It's handsome, it's comfortable, it's sporty to drive, and it's loaded with tech features. This sort of car, a gasoline-only, top-down, apex-carving, luxurious delight, well, these sorts of rigs are disappearing from the marketplace. The only real competition for this car is a BMW 4 Series. The rest of the marketplace just has nothing to offer quite like it. I'd argue this is one of the best small luxury cars you can buy, 2- or 4-door. It may not be practical, but beautiful things often are not rational choices. They are emotional ones, and I really got a bang, a charge, an emotional response from driving this car. It is hard to beat the CLE when it comes to luxury cruising. For safety, this car is loaded, and it's available with a wide array of driver aids, including adaptive cruise control. The CLE's smooth ride belies really sporty handling. Now, it's not razor sharp like the best of the Mazda Miata, but it's responsive and consistent in how it handles your inputs, your steering inputs, your braking inputs, your throttle inputs. And this 4-cylinder CLE is plenty quick, and the smooth power delivery, well, it's wonderful. There is very little turbo lag, and the standard all-wheel drive system distributes power exceptionally well. Here in the cabin, well, seat comfort is excellent, and there are plenty of adjustments for lumbar and other things to really give you exactly the kind of seating position you want for a long drive. And some of the technology here, well, requires something of a steep learning curve. The navigation system is clean and easy to use, with large maps and clear directions. You can also use voice commands. Standard is Apple CarPlay and Android integration, all wireless, and you will find USB-C ports for charging and connectivity. And then as you look out here at the interior, it's beautifully done. There's a big touch screen here, lots of different controls and functions on the steering wheel, a very clear digital cluster right here in my eye line, and lots of other little features that I like. What I don't like is there are no redundant knobs for some of the functions like volume control for the stereo. And with the top down, air management here in the cockpit, it's done exceptionally well. And Aircap deploys spoilers to route air over the top of the car, and an Airscarf feature blows warm air onto your neck to keep you cozy. With the top up, very little wind and road noise seep into the cabin, but the joy of this car is that you can go open air. You won't be surprised to learn that there's not a ton of storage back here, but even with the top down, it's decent. You could get a couple of little rollerboards for a weekend journey here. And remember, there is a back seat. While it's not terrific for sitting, it's certainly useful for stuffing a couple of bags. I'm a veteran car guy, and I'm sad to report that over the years I've watched beautiful, entertaining, joyous, open-air cars like this just disappear from the marketplace. Maybe that's why everybody's so grumpy these days. Either way, if you can afford the $85,500 price tag as you see it here, you will be hard-pressed to find a better driving experience. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Cato, and this is CatoCarGuy.com. We'll see you next time.